G'day and welcome to our quick look at WordPress editing. WordPress is a fantastic platform for creating blogs and websites. We're just going to have a quick look at the dashboard, how to add and edit posts, pages, how to work the menu a little bit, and what widgets are and how to work them as well. The site that we're in while we're exploring is the Tupo site, which is a brother school of Newington College in Sydney. Now we need to actually log into the site to do anything. So most WordPress sites have a login button, but some have been turned off. So you can either click the button or you can put in /wp-admin after the web address. As you can see, we've done here. So doing that takes you through to the dashboard of the site, and the dashboard is it shows all the main parts of the site. It's sort of a snapshot of where you are at the time. The first part of the dashboard we're going to have a look at the posts area. Now posts are sort of like the time-stamped items of a blog. It's often called the blog part or the news part of the website. To add or edit posts, we click on the post button, alright, and then we select all posts as the next bit. That takes you through to a snapshot of what posts are existing on the blog at the time. You can see there's only one here. There's also the Add New button up here, which we've clicked to go through to create a new blog post. When you've hit Add New, you get a few options here. You can obviously add a title and some content here. We've added some content into here, saying a title of the post and a little bit of other content. You notice first of all that there's two types of mode here for viewing. There's visual and HTML. Okay, visual gives you all these options of editing, alright, and HTML you can drop other bits of code and so on in there. We'll cover that later. Now, upload and insert is also important. If we click that, you'll see that you've got options for inserting media from your media library, a URL, a computer, and so on. So I've just clicked on media library and click on this first one. And this will give you an option to insert this picture into our post. So you go through the information about it and choose if you want to link through to something else and how you want it to look and so on, and then you insert it into your post. After you've gone and you've finished your editing as you want, select a category, and this joins together posts into a category so you can select them all together and publish the site if it's ready to be viewed publicly. Otherwise, save as a draft where you can come back and carry on editing it. You'll now see that when you go back to posts, you've got two posts in there, one in draft mode and one as published, and the categories that they're in. Right, and back to our dashboard, the next thing we're going to look at are pages. Now pages are essentially like the static content part of your blog. That's sort of like the website part, I suppose you could say. And usually you create pages and then organise them into a menu after. So to add or edit a page, you click on pages on the left, alright, and then click on all pages. And that'll take you through to a page that has all the pages that you've got so far. You can add a new one if you want, or you can edit an existing. So here we've clicked on the About to edit it, and it's gone through to a page, and it's pretty self-explanatory, same as a post and how you edit this. Again, when you're finished with it and you're happy with it, you just click Update on the right. So after we've done all this, we need to sort of organise our page a little bit so we can navigate a bit better. So our menus are just our navigation part of the site. They can be in different areas on the blog depending on the theme that you have. To get to the menu, you go from the dashboard. Over on the left, Appearance, you'll see Menus. Click on Menus. And you come to a page that talks about the menus of the site. Now this can be different depending on your theme that you've got, okay? But you can see I've got two different types of menu for this particular one, or I could have a third navigation as well. But to edit menus, basically all you do is make sure you've got the menu you're wanting to edit selected, then you scroll up or down and choose what content you want to come off onto your menu. So here I'm going to select contacts, alright, and go add to menu. and it pushes it over into this menu now. Now you can move these around by holding down and dragging them up and down and so on, wherever you want. And you can see here that, okay, the stepped in version just means it's going to be a drop down menu from there as well. And all you do is you just step it across to do that. When you finish making your changes, just make sure that you choose Save Menu at the end as well. And the other element we're going to have a look at that it changes the appearance of the site is going to be the widgets. Now basically widgets are just the customizable little bits around the site that sort of aid your look and feel and sort of navigation and so on. They're all just little elements of the page. To get to the widgets from the dashboard, you click on Appearance and then Widgets. And this shows you the available widgets that you've got on your site and what you're already using at the moment as well for pages and blog in this case. It depends on what theme you've got again as well. All you do is you just add it and it just drops it across and then you move them around however you want. There are text ones as well, so if you've got some HTML code you want to drop in, you can do that as well. It's pretty cool. And when you're done, you've essentially changed the look and feel of your site. So let's go back to the dashboard. And you'll see we've explored quite a few of these things. There's others you can explore, but this is just the first initial bit to get you really started with the main areas of a site. So well done. So this was just to really get you started in thinking about how to do the main parts of a set up WordPress site or blog, and we'll extend on it another time. But enjoy, have fun, eh?